Okay, good morning, guys. It is 8:40 a.m. Eastern. We're going live for day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas. Here's the list. Go 3 times in the clubhouse. 8:41 a.m. Eastern. First random. Second random. On 2 times. Time. 8:41 a.m. Eastern. Third and final random. Jay Scara. You are day 3's winner. We've gone 3 times. Time 8:41 a.m. Eastern. Congratulations, Jay. I have your address, so I will ship it out to you at the end of the event after Christmas. 8:41 a.m. Eastern. We're done, guys. Day 4 is up.